you better.
Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, we are going to be installing this 3D dome cap wig, and it is wavy texture. I absolutely love the waves on this hair, and it's super easy to apply. It's beginner friendly. If you guys want to see how I install it, then please keep on watching. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from WowAfrican Hair. I have worn quite a few of their wigs in the past, and this is also one of their pre-made wigs. So everything that you need for your wig is included in the box. So you have your rat tail comb, your HD wig caps, and I think these are a must, and also a edge brush as well. Also got some alligator clips. I think that's what they're called. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now the wig that I will be showing you guys today, it is a wavy texture hair, and I absolutely love the curls on this wig. Now this is called their Hollywood Wave HD lace wig, and it's a 9x6 pre-everything, and it's wear and go glueless wig. When I say pre-everything, I mean it is pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached to perfection, and also you can remove the combs on the wigs, which I absolutely love that option, and also the ear tab. This fits perfectly around your ear, so when you have the wig on, it's not sitting on top of your ear, which can be very painful. You also have the drawstring, so it's the dome cap drawstring wig, which I absolutely love these wigs. So you just have the drawstring in the back, and this is how the lace is looking. You can tell that this looks super flawless. Like, the hairline is tweezed to perfection. This is gonna look really good. All right, so now I'm going to pop this wig cap on my head, and I'm not going to do the ball cap method because that is not necessary, because this is a glueless application. So as you can see, I just popped the wig on, and it is pre-cut lace, so that means I don't have to do a lot of work to it. Now I'm going to pin this up, and I'm going to show you guys at the back. So literally all I'm doing is pulling the drawstring. Pull it until you feel comfortable, and it's kind of hanging, so I like to tuck it away. You can just tuck it away under the wig, or you can use even bobby pins and tuck it away, because I just don't want the string to be hanging. And this is how the lace looks up close. So it does need a bit of tinting so it matches my skin perfectly. You can use makeup, or you can use a tinting spray. I like to use the Wig Guru's tinting spray, and I'll link this in the description bar down below. So I just spray it onto my brush, and I just tap it onto the lace, and that way it's going to just match my skin tone perfectly. This is transparent lace. I personally love transparent lace. I don't like when they have the lace has a color to it, because I find that it usually never matches my skin. Now I prefer to just do my tinting myself. So I'm going to take out these two little pieces of hair. I call them like antlers. Obviously not antlers, it just reminds me of antlers. So anyways, I took these two little pieces out just to give my hairline kind of like a widow's peak hairline, because I naturally have one, and that's how quickly it was to remove. And I'm just going to take off just some little pieces of hair on the side as well. You don't really have to do this. I just like my hairline to look a certain way, and I'm going to go in with my scissors and just cut the areas that I removed the hair from, and that's it. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer. You want to use a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone, so preferably a concealer that you use to highlight, because you want the scalp to be light, because our scalp is naturally lighter than our face. So as you can see that this is glueless, and you can rock it just like this. This is glueless. Now for me, I want the lace to look seamless and flawless and melted on my skin, so I'm just fixing up the lace just a bit more with my cuticle scissors, and then I'm going to go in with my sticky little secret melting spray. So this is not a holding spray, it is a melting spray, but we are going to be launching a holding spray very, very, very soon for the girls who want a holding spray and they don't like using glue. So that is coming very soon. So I'm going to go in with my brush. I apply it onto my brush, and I'm going to tap it into the lace, and I'm just going to melt that lace down so it does look seamless and it's going to disappear. So I go in with a blow dryer on the cool setting. Next, I'm going to take my melting band, and I'm going to pop this on my head, and I'm going to leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then once I remove it, she is nicely melted, and I'm just applying my contour just to fix my makeup up a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten out the top just a bit, because she was sitting a little high on my head. And guys, this is pretty much the finished look, so I haven't added anything to it. Are you seeing that? I absolutely love the curls on this wig, and I love the fact that there was not a lot of shedding with this wig at all, and most likely curly hair usually sheds a lot. So I'm gonna go in with some water because I want you guys to see how it's look when it's styled. So I added some water and I added some hair mousse. The hair mousse that I use, I will put it in the description box down below, and then I melted it down again. But this is how it looks with kind of like a wet look, and you guys are going to see it once it's close to being dry as well. So it's a little bit close to being dry, so the curls go back nicely. It doesn't like wetting the hair, it doesn't change the texture of the curl, but it absolutely looks gorgeous. I love it, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. But yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. It's super effortless, super easy, beginner friendly. I love this wig. I love the curls. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.